Morning guys, happy hump day. It's November 28th and we're down in Georgia, just outside of Metro Atlanta. I want to say thanks for joining. Welcome to Whitlock Garage. We're a page that's all about GM trucks, from whether it's from 47, 67 to 72, 60 to 66, all the way up to 2018, 2019. So as you can see behind me, I've got my 68 GMC currently loaded down with all sorts of hunting stuff and even chairs from Thanksgiving. So appreciate you all joining. We're going to be talking a little bit about this truck, more specifically about the build of it. We put it together, my dad and I and a couple of friends, for the Hot Rod Power Tour this past year. We put it together in about 68 days, but it's an LS-powered short bed, 4.5/6 drop with old school American torque thrusts. Lots of cool things going on with it. Original paint, 503 light green. But we'll be talking about it, highlighting some of the build from it, but also talking about some of the modifications and upgrades I'm going to be doing to my 2018 Silverado LT Z71. Got a bunch of other trucks, even outside of this 68, that we can talk about. But first, we're going to jump right in to where we're setting the cab on this truck. Again, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the page, and welcome to Whitlock Garage. We're glad you're here. There you have it, guys. That's us setting the cab on the 68 GMC. Really appreciate you tuning in. Again, if you like the content so far, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll have some more great content coming along. Also, you can find us on Instagram at Whitlock Garage. There's some spoiler pictures there, so you can actually see how the truck turns out. And obviously, we'll be doing plenty more to this truck, but really appreciate you joining us. We'll see you next time right here on Whitlock Garage.